Today we'll talk about how can you add your gift cards on your Asos app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on my account here. When you click on my account, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here and you click here on gift cards here in vouchers. You click on it, come to this list and you click here on add gift cards voucher here, click on it. Then here add your gift cards here. So when you just click here on gift card, then it's going to show for you here this list. Add here number of you here you add code of your gift card in here pin. Then you click on add gift card, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like, subscribe.